No physical samples. Just one digital workflow from sketch to final visual. Welcome to the future of fashion creation. This isn't just about software. It's about a new way of thinking and creating in the fashion industry. Let's dive in. Every great garment starts with a great idea. This is where I translate a creative vision into 3D logic. I'm not just thinking like a designer. I'm thinking like a pattern maker. How will these pieces connect? What's the best way to construct this sleeve? A clear concept is what makes the entire 3D process efficient and successful. Now, with our concept locked in, we move into CLO 3D. This is where the magic really begins. I start by drafting the basic blocks, just like in traditional pattern making. As I connect each seam, you can see the garment forming in the 3D space. Here, I'm applying a cotton twill. Notice how the fabric settings define how the garment moves, folds, and feels. I can fine-tune properties like density and friction to get the exact look I want. Then, it's time to simulate. CLO's physics engine calculates how the fabric interacts with the avatar and gravity, creating natural-looking drapes and folds. It's a constant balance between quality and performance. The accuracy of this simulation is what makes the final presentation so convincing. With the garment simulated, it's time for fitting and adding details. Just like in the real world, the first digital version rarely fits perfectly. Digital fitting allows you to refine the garment without producing a single physical sample. Red indicates high tension, while blue shows a looser fit. Based on this feedback, I can go back to my 2D patterns and make precise adjustments, lengthening a hem, widening a sleeve, or adjusting a curve. This iterative process ensures a perfect fit. Next, I focus on the small details that sell the realism. This includes adding top stitching along the seams, creating buttons and buttonholes, and adding any trims or hardware. It's these tiny elements that make the final visual believable. Now that our garment is perfectly constructed, fitted, and detailed, it's time to create the final visual. This is where we move from production to presentation. This final visual can replace traditional photo shoots. It's faster, more flexible, and fully digital. First, I set up the lighting. Just like in a real photo studio, lighting is key to setting the mood and highlighting the garment's features. I can use multiple light sources, adjust their intensity, and change their color to create the perfect atmosphere. Next, I set up my camera angles. I can create close-ups to show off texture and stitching, full body shots for the overall silhouette, and dynamic angles for marketing content. I'll also create a turntable animation, which gives a 360-degree view of the garment, perfect for online stores or client presentations. Finally, I open the render window. Here, I choose my final output settings, like resolution and image quality, and let CLO generate a high-quality image or video. The resulting visual is lookbook ready and can be used for e-commerce, social media campaigns, or internal design reviews. This workflow, from a simple idea to a stunning final image, showcases the power of digital fashion. This is the future of fashion, created digitally, designed efficiently, and visualized without limits. It reduces waste, speeds up development, and unlocks a new level of creative freedom. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more CLO 3D tutorials and digital fashion workflows, be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.